Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can add scratch line text effect in Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva and we have just selected a blank image template. Now what we are going to do is, in the text option in the left side, we are just going to select the heading, right? And here I am just going to type Bikana, right? And now what we are going to do is, we are going to increase the text size. Okay, it's been increased. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to change the font, right? And here we can simply search for monotone font. Okay, the font has been selected. Now we are going to reduce the font size. Okay, and as you can see, the scratch line text, or you can say monotone text, has been added in Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.